traveling can be stressful, but the right luggage makes all the difference. Rolling duffel bags combine the convenience of wheels with the flexibility of a soft-sided bag, giving you room for everything from clothes to gear without the hassle of carrying it all. But not all rolling duffels are created equal. Some fall apart after a few trips, while others struggle with organization or maneuverability. That's why in this video I'm going to show you the top 6 best rolling duffel bags that are built to last. From durability and storage capacity to smooth rolling wheels and smart compartments, these bags make packing, travel, and weekend getaways easier than ever. Before we dive in, check the links in the description for the latest deals on every product we mention. Let's get started.
Number 6. Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels. The Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels proves that budget-friendly doesn't mean compromising on quality, functionality, or style. Designed for travelers who want durability without breaking the bank, this rolling duffel competes with many higher-priced options, delivering impressive performance at a very attractive price point. Its dual-purpose design, half suitcase, half duffel, features a structured, durable bottom for stability and protection, paired with a flexible fabric upper flap that allows for easy packing and expansion. Smooth rolling wheels and a conveniently foldable handle make maneuvering through airports, train stations, or city streets effortless, while a combination of internal and external pockets keeps belongings organized and easily accessible. The waterproof construction adds another layer of protection, ensuring your gear stays safe from rain, spills, or unexpected splashes. Tested in real-world conditions, the bag holds up well under weight, travel stress, and frequent handling, making it ideal for both short trips and extended getaways. Lightweight yet robust, versatile yet stylish, the Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels offers exceptional value, combining practicality, durability, and thoughtful design for travelers who want a reliable, easy-to-use travel companion without overspending. For anyone seeking a high-quality rolling duffel that balances convenience, organization, and affordability, this bag stands out as a top choice. Number 5. Away the Outdoor Rolling Duffel. We were seriously impressed with how rugged and durable Away's 85-liter rolling duffel is. A polycarbonate backing gives the bag its structure, while the rest of the duffel is crafted from water and abrasion-resistant recycled polyester fabric, which gives the bag an overall light feel. Aside from a few minor scuffs near the bottom of its 2 wheels, the duffel emerged virtually unscathed after we hit it a couple of times with a metal bat, which leads us to believe that it'll be able to withstand the wear and tear of travel. The duffel's main compartment is cavernous, and we found that we could pack all of our essentials and gear, including a sleeping bag, with plenty of room to spare. Inside, you'll find compression straps and 2 zippered mesh pockets inside the bag's lid that are ideal for stowing away smaller items like magazines, cables, or even socks and underwear. The duffel's exterior features a zippered pocket at the base of its adjustable handle, 3 additional handles on each of the bag's remaining sides, and 2 security straps to further compress your items. The handle worked well, but we didn't love that the tracks are visible inside the bag because you have to pack around them. Number 4. Bric's X-Bag 21-inch Rolling Carry-On Duffel Bag. Rolling duffels are often associated with sporty, casual designs, but Bric's rolling duffel redefines that perception with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, elevated by subtle leather accents for a chic, sophisticated look. Despite its compact and lightweight design, the bag offers impressive spaciousness, making it ideal for overnight trips or domestic travel around Europe. The main compartment is large and simple, complemented by thoughtfully placed pockets for organization. On the exterior, a long zippered pocket easily holds a small tablet, phone, and passport, while inside, a zippered mesh pocket on the flap is perfect for underwear or socks, and a side zippered pocket provides additional storage for essentials. Practical details like smooth zippers, a leather-accented grab handle, top handles with snap closure, and a padded crossbody strap enhance usability and comfort, making it a smart investment for travelers seeking both style and function. The rolling duffel's wheels glide effortlessly, and its dimensions fit easily into most overhead compartments, simplifying airport navigation. Additionally, the bag is fully water-resistant, protecting belongings from unexpected spills or rain. Combining elegance, practicality, and durable craftsmanship, Bric's rolling duffel offers a sophisticated alternative to traditional sporty luggage, perfect for those who want travel gear that looks as good as it performs. Number 3. Travelers Club Upright Rolling Duffel Bag. We packed this rolling duffel to the brim with 2 weeks worth of winter gear and still had plenty of extra room, thanks to its spacious main compartment that easily accommodates bulkier clothing and gear. Designed with practicality in mind, it features multiple external pockets, making it simple to stay organized and keep essentials within easy reach while traveling. The bag's handle is sturdy, though slightly thinner than some competing models, and the smaller wheels can make maneuvering through crowded airports a bit more challenging, especially when fully loaded. Despite these minor drawbacks, it offers exceptional value for under $50. delivering the storage capacity and convenience that many travelers need at a fraction of the cost of higher-end rolling duffels. The bag also comes in a variety of colors, giving you the chance to choose a style that stands out on the luggage carousel and reflects your personal taste. Lightweight yet durable, this duffel is a reliable companion for weekend trips, extended vacations, or any adventure requiring ample packing space. For travelers seeking an affordable, versatile, and roomy rolling duffel, this option combines practicality, style, and value, making it a smart choice for almost any journey without breaking the bank. Number 2. Ogio Terminal Travel Bag. If you value built-in organization and effortless travel, the Ogio Terminal Travel Bag is a standout choice. Designed to convert even the most chaotic packers into masters of order, this duffel features a thoughtful array of internal and external compartments that can easily accommodate up to 2 weeks' worth of clothing, gear, and essentials. Its 95% liter capacity strikes the perfect balance between spaciousness and portability, offering ample room without feeling cumbersome or bulky. The bag's rugged construction ensures it can handle everything from outdoor adventures to road trips, while the smooth rolling wheels make navigating airports, train stations, or hotel lobbies effortless. Multiple external handles further enhance convenience, making it easy to lift, carry, or load onto luggage racks with minimal effort. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, the Ogio Terminal Travel Bag keeps your belongings neatly organized and readily accessible, reducing the stress of travel and streamlining every step of your journey. Its combination of durability, capacity, and practical design ensures that it performs reliably in a variety of settings, while thoughtful touches like well-placed handles and compartments elevate the overall experience. For travelers who want efficiency, comfort, and organization all in one, the Ogio Terminal Travel Bag is a dependable and versatile solution that makes every trip easier. Number 1. Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler. The word spacious hardly does justice to this large duffel, which offers an incredible 130 liters of storage while weighing less than 5 pounds when empty, making it one of the most lightweight and versatile luggage options available. Despite its minimal weight, the duffel is engineered to handle the rigors of travel, crafted from abrasion-resistant materials that combine high-quality aesthetics with exceptional durability, ensuring it can endure everything from crowded airports to rugged outdoor adventures. Its generous main compartment easily accommodates clothing, gear, and accessories, while the included packing cube helps keep everything organized and accessible, streamlining packing and unpacking on the go. One of the standout features of this duffel is its convertible design. It can transform into a backpack, offering hands-free convenience when you're navigating busy terminals or trekking through urban streets, though this does mean it won't stand upright on its own. Adjustable, padded shoulder straps make carrying heavy loads comfortable, and reinforced handles provide additional support when lifting or stowing. Lightweight, durable, and remarkably versatile, this duffel blends practicality with clever design, giving travelers the freedom to pack more without the burden of extra weight, making it an ideal choice for long trips, weekend getaways, or any adventure where convenience and capacity matter. So, that wraps up our list of the best rolling duffel bags. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.